Hey, what's up guys? A little switch up in my regular tutorial content, but MAGEX just sent me a 10.1 inch LCD touchscreen display just for the Raspberry Pi. And I wanted to test it out, see how it works. And the first thing I wanted to do was set it up and install RetroPie on it and see how it runs. I think you can use the 5, 4, or the 3 on here, but I have the 4B 8GB of RAM. So let's unbox it and see how it goes. So after just looking at the directions, I just realized I had to solder these to the Raspberry Pi. So I'm gonna switch to my workstation and I'll be right back. Update. So what's the workstation? Got everything set up. Got my soldering iron up, and I was ready to go. And then I flipped to the next page in the directions and realized that I could just connect the USB to the pin, and then I have touchscreen. So there's two methods. The method one, you can solder it to the Raspberry Pi to get the touchscreen capabilities, or you could just simply attach the USB and then put the pin in the board. So lesson learned. As engineers, I know we don't believe in instructions, but today I'm wishing I read the instructions. But I digress. Let's continue. I installed RetroPie and got my handy dandy controller. All right, guys, it's the next day. I spent the night toying with this thing, and all in all, I think it's a pretty good product. So like quick overview, final thoughts on everything. So the touchscreen is pretty good. Only thing is, if you're gonna use the desktop, definitely scale it down. That's what I should have done in the video. But yeah, if you scale it down, the buttons will be way easier to press, so that should be fine. But like, I feel like I've seen people do so many cool things with these, like Apple CarPlay, like home automation dashboards, like stuff like that. And like in my use case, RetroPie. So I think it's pretty cool. As for RetroPie, all the like PS1 game, Game Boy, all that stuff looks really good on the screen. So I honestly can't complain. But like, if we're comparing these to the official one, the official Raspberry Pi one, I think it's like 7.2. This is 10.1 inches. But that one's like $60. This one's like $130. So definitely a little higher. So it's only going to depend on your use case. But all in all, I think it's a pretty good product, and I'm pretty happy with it. So that's going to be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you like these kind of videos, subscribe, like, and that's going to be it. See ya.